Hello children, today we will start new chapter linear equations in one variable. Okay, now first we should start with the definition of an equation. What is an equation? We know an algebraic expression with what? An equality. We say what? An equation. Hence, equation, an algebraic. Okay, what is an equation? It is an algebraic equation. An algebraic equation. An algebraic equation is equation or nothing but what? Algebraic equation, both are same. Is an equality. Is an equality. Is an equality. An algebraic expression is an equality involving variables. Involving variables. Involving variables. Example, x plus 3 equal to 5. So therefore, algebraic expression here, what? It is an equation, algebraic expression, even this is expression. When two expressions are equated with this equal symbol, we say what? Equation. One example, let us take one more example. What? 2x square minus 5x plus 3 equal to 0. So therefore, with equality, we say what? Equation. In these equations, we have two sides. Left of the equation, we say LHS. Right of the equation, we say what? RHS. Hence, an equation is with equal symbol. The left hand side, nothing but LHS. Okay, we say left of the equation. RHS, right hand side, right side of the equation. So thus, any equation has got three important factors. One is left hand side, right hand side, and the equal. All together we say what? Equation. Hence, left hand side. The expression on the left of the equation is called left hand side. In short, we say LHS. Right hand side. The expression on the right of the equation is called right hand side. In short, it is known as RHS. Just consider this example. 2x minus 3 equal to 9. So in this equation, first of all, it is an equation because it has equal symbol, equality, that's all. Now in this is the left of what? The equation. That left of the equation we say LHS. Hence, this is LHS. And this one, it is to the right side, we say RHS. Right hand side, left hand side. Next, all together, both LHS and RHS together we say what? An equation. Then in this equation, we find a variable x whose degree is 1. An equation of degree 1, we say linear equation. So what is linear equation? An equation of degree 1. It is understood. Of degree 1 means what? Degree of the variable. Next, here at the same time, it is, look at children, it is a linear equation because the degree 1, why it is called linear, that also I explained in the previous classes. Because the graph of this we get a straight line, that's why it is linear equation. In this linear equation, we find only one variable. Such a linear equation, we say what? Linear equation in one variable. So thus, with the help of this equation, we will get two more definitions: linear and linear equation in one variable. An equation of degree 1 is called a linear equation. Example, 2x minus 5 equal to 20. Here the variable is x whose degree is 1. Such an equation we say what? Linear. Why it is called linear? Because we get a straight line graph. Linear, degree 1. What is the meaning of degree? The highest power of the variable. Next, one more important. Today's our new topic is what? Linear equation in one variable. Linear equation, now we are very clear. Degree must be 1. What is the linear equation in one variable? An equation of degree 1. That's why it is linear with one variable. With one variable. So like that it will be simplified in a simple manner. It is called a linear equation in one variable. The same thing holds good. For example, say anything y minus 6 equal to 24. So like this, it is a linear. Y degree of the variable is 1 and it is a linear with one variable because the only one variable is which one? Y. Okay children. Here now this y value, when it will be 24, left and right is called, when it will be equal means the left and right side must be equal. If it is identity, in case of an identity, always true, always equal for any value of the variable. But in case of equation, only certain values are true. What is that? For example, now when the right side will be 24 means for which value of y? If y equal to something, how to get that y? Need not to guess. Okay, we know how to solve that and all. Okay, in general, the value of the variable, if that value is substituted here, then that value minus this, if it is equal to 24, then that value we say what? Solution of the variable. Solutions. The values of the variable for which LHS and RHS of an equation are equal are called solutions. Now children, we shall solve some equations. Problems. Exercise 3.1 and worked example. Solve the following equations. Okay, before we take those equations, basically know some instructions or conditions. What are those conditions? Just you see equation, and this is left of the equation, right of the equation, LHS and RHS. Now know children, anything when we shift from left to right, then if it is plus, it becomes minus. Okay, addition, especially addition becomes subtraction. If it is subtraction minus, then when it is shifted, it becomes addition plus. If we have multiplication form, then when it is shifted, it is converted into division form. If it is division form, when it is shifted, it becomes product form. Okay, so these are some important conditions. While the shifting means plus becomes minus, minus becomes plus, into becomes divided by becomes into the product form. Next, one more important thing, it is convenient to keep the variables in the left of the equation, left hand side. Now we shall take first one, x minus 2 equal to 7. What is the meaning of solve? Solve means find the value of x. Find the value of x. Therefore here, that is the variable, that is the unknown factor. Therefore, keeping the unknown, first you write the known in the right hand side. Then now we are shifting this minus 2 to the right. When minus is shifted, it becomes positive. Therefore, plus 2. That's what I mentioned this one. Okay. Then put equals 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Therefore, x equal to 9. This is the solution of what? X. Okay, now just we shall substitute here. 9 minus 2. 9 minus 2 is what? 7. Left hand side 7. Right side already it is given as what? 7. That's why it is equation. Hence, what is the meaning of solution? You know, for any value of the variable, if LHS and RHS are equal, then that value of the variable is our solution. Let us take the second one. Y plus 3 equal to 10. Now, first we have to observe in which side is the unknown. The unknown is in the convenient, that means in the left hand side. Now, therefore, next, which is the known factor plus 3. Keeping the unknown in the left hand side. First you write what we have in the right. Then send this plus 3. Plus when it is shifted to the right, it becomes minus. When signs are different, we have to find out the difference and put the greater number sign. Thus, the value of y, the solution of y is what? 7. Let us check. 7 plus 3, 10. Right side 10. So, therefore, no doubt at all, this is the correct solution of y. Consider the third one. It is quite interesting one. 6 equal to z plus 2. Okay, I told you the convenient is while we solving the equation having the variable in the left hand side, but here it is given in the right side. This could be solved in different ways. One is therefore have this also. This is not the final. Okay, even this could be solved like this. Since here we have unknown z plus 2. Now think like this, children. Z plus 2 equal to what? 6. What is that? Just I shifted completely. Z plus 2 equal to 6. Therefore, now which is unknown? Z. We are sending a partially plus 2. Therefore, that plus 2 becomes minus. Plus becomes minus. Therefore, Z equal to 6 minus 2, 4. Is this a correct solution? Let us check. 4 plus 2, 6. 6. Thus, LHS is equal to RHS. Hence, here Z equal to 4 is the solution. Okay. Now, we shall take fourth one. 3 by 7 plus x equal to 17 by 7. So, here the unknown is x. Therefore, let us keep the unknown in the LHS. 17 by 7 minus, shift this fraction, it becomes 3 by 7 plus becomes minus. Here no confusion, children. It is addition, that means plus. Therefore, that's why the complete this plus 3 by 7 becomes minus 3 by 7. Whenever we have two fractions, more than 2, etc., go for LCM. What is LCM? 7, 7 means LCM is 7. LCM 7. 7 into first fraction. Get cancel. 17 minus LCM into second fraction. 3. Why minus? Because here we have minus. Therefore, 17 minus 3 is 14. 14 by 7. Thus, x equal to 2. Okay. Take the fifth one. 6x equal to 12. Therefore, see here 6 into x. It is a which form? Product form. So, therefore, when we send in case of the product form, it becomes what? Divided by. Therefore, children, now x equal to 12 by 6. Therefore, x equal to 6 ones are 6 twos are. Okay, if you have any doubt, simple thing. 6 twos are 12. Let us take now 6th one. T by 5. T by 5 equal to 10. Now it is a which form? That division form like that. Therefore, T equal to, the simple rule is this, divided by, when you send this division divided by to the right side, then it is being converted into product form. Thus, now T equal to 10 into 5. Therefore, T equal to 50. If you have any doubt, let us check. 50 by 5 comes 10. So, thus, now in case of division, it becomes into. If it is into, divided by division like that. Now, let us take one more. That's 7 sum. See here. 2x by 3 equal to 18. Therefore, here of course we have what? Product form only, 2x by 3. How this could be simplified? In one step only can be shifted these known factors to the right side. First let us write what we have in the right side into this division becomes product divided by this product means 2 into becomes divided by. That's all. That means we say cross multiplication also like that. 3 then 2. 1s are 9s are. X equal to 9 3s are what? 27. Okay, if you have doubt, just mentally can be done. What? 27, 3, 9s are, 9 2s are 18. Okay, children. Next, the remaining problems. Okay, here one decimal we have, that I will do it. Sub number 8. 1.6. It is point equal to y divided by 1.5. Just observe here the unknown to be solved is in the right side. Therefore, let us write like this. Y equal to, just division becomes product form. That's all. Hence 1.6 into our 1.5. Correct? Now let us multiply in the rough form. 1.6 into 1.5. 5 6 are 30. 3 carries. 5 1s are 8. 1 into 6. 1 into 1. 0, 14, then 2. After the decimal, we have one digit, altogether 2 digits. How to introduce now the decimal? Start from the right hand side of this number. 1, 2, put a decimal. Thus, the value of y equal to what? 2.40. Okay, children. Now, the remaining ones you can practice at home. Okay, these sums, all this. Okay, just by following like this. In the next class, we will continue. Thank you.